Ukulimala komzalwane noma ukulimala kwekholwa, usathana akadingi ama-resources amaningi. Empeleni usathana akadingi into eyiningi ukuze alimaze ikholwa. Kungakho ithuba elincane nje elivelako usathana uyalisebenzisa, libe lincane ithuba litholile kodwa ama-consequences noma ama-results wokuthi usathana angene embobeni enqane evulekile ekholweni ayisebenzise kodwa yenza umonakalo omkhulu ekholweni. In other words, bantu bakaNkulunkulu, asikho isikhathi sokuphumula uma usindisiwe, uma uyikholwa. Ma-festive season akuyona season yokuphumula. Uma uthi wena isizini yokuphumula usuke ubeka phansi izikhali. That is why uma lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu khulekani ningaphezi, we need to pray consistently, because the more we pray consistently kukhona okwenzakalako, there's a shipment somewhere eyenzakalako. Ngesikhathi wena uphumula ngama-festive uthi hayi siyobuya January, ilesikhathi ubeka phasi izikhali. Ngesikhathi ubeka izikhali ilesikhathi ke usathana athola i-opportunity noma athola isikhala sokuthi angene empilweni yekholwa. Ngoba the question that you have to ask yourself njengomntwana kaNkulunkulu osindisiwe ukuthi ngesikhathi ungekho enkonzweni during ama-festive season usukukephi wena? Umbuze kumele uzibuze wona ukuthi yini entertainako during ma-festive season njengomntwana kaNkulunkulu. Uma ungekho ey'ntweni zikaNkulunkulu, awukho mningi ey'ntweni zikaNkulunkulu during ama-festive season. Uma kune-night prayer awutholakali, uma kune-home cell awuyi, ngama-Sunday awutholakali, uma kuhlelwa inkonzo awutholakali. U-entertainwa yini ngalama-season? It is because usubeke izikhali wena njengekholwa. Ngoba once usathane walithola ithuba elincane uyolisebenzisa kodwa likulimaze njengekholwa, kube nzima ukubuyela wena ekwenzeni into zikaNkulunkulu. Ngoba siyayivumela inyanga kaDisemba isicontrol noma singabazalwane, ngoba once wabeka isikhali uma ungumzalwane phansi, you are allowing a sin to raise kuwe. Isono siyavuka kumzalwane, sivuswe ukuthi uthe uyaphumula. Baningi abanye abawa ngesikhathi bathi bayaphumula, baningi abasalelwa ugqobo ngesikhathi bathi bayaphumula, ngesikhathi belahla phansi bebeka phansi izikhali. Uthi usathane, this is the opportunity, this is the time. Ubeka phansi kwakho kwesikhali ungumzalwane, usathane uya-attack. Once waba umzalwane wathi uyaresta, know that umzalwane orestako, there's also a sin that is going to be raised kulowo mzalwane. Ukukhula kwesono kukhuliswa ukuthi ey'ntweni ze-season uyatholakala kuzona, kodwa ey'ntweni zikaNkulunkulu uyancipha kuzona.